Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix action not available in Roblox. Having trouble with actually not available error in Roblox? Here's how to fix it quickly and easily. First, completely close Roblox and open your task manager. Look for the Roblox game client. If it's still running, select it and click End Task to make sure it's fully closed. Next, check if your Roblox account is verified. Go to your account settings on the web and make sure your email says verified. If not, just click the verification link sent to your inbox. Once verified, go to your Start menu, type Roblox, right click the Roblox player, and select Run as Administrator. This ensures Roblox runs with the right permissions and can help bypass certain access issues. Finally, make sure your Roblox app is updated and your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, outdated clients or poor connection causes this exact problem. After doing all that, your game should run in smoothly again. Enjoy your playtime. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.